Subscribe to Jazzy's Recipes and click on the bell icon for more updates. Hello everyone, this is Jazla Ismat. This is the first vlog on our outing and this time we went on a trip to eastern coastal area. We started our trip at 8 p.m. from home and took the route through Polonnaruwa. We were scared for wild animals on our way, but we found only herd of cows time to time on the middle of the road. And we reached our hotel at around 12 and had our dinner. Next day morning, we went to Pasikuda beach and it was very calm atmosphere and peaceful environment which will be one of the main destinations to visit when you plan your trip to Eastern. We went to admire the sunrise but unfortunately we got late, so we missed that beautiful scenery. There were no much people to be seen since it was early in the morning. The turquoise blue waters of the bay attracted and gave us a pleasant feeling, and it was an incredible sight. There we had a chance to witness a fisherman fishing at the pond near Pasikuda beach. He slowly stepped into the water and threw the net slowly into the water to catch the fish. And the fisherman told on that day he was able to catch only few small fish, but on the other days he used to catch big fish. We had our breakfast in our hotel and then for lunch we visited one of our relative place in Oddamavadi and spent some time there to relax. Later in the evening we drove to Kathankudi and it gave a special attraction of its own. A line of date palm trees decorates the center of the town's main street from the entrance gate onwards. This was a unique experience which gave a feeling of Arabic atmosphere. We bought our dinner at Kathankudi and took them to the beach and had. It was full moon day and the beach was indeed an inviting as well as a soothing experience that one would not want to miss. Next day morning after our breakfast we went to the Heritage Museum at Kathankudi. This building holds a rich and diverse collection of the history of Muslims. And I will do a separate video on museum later. And for lunch, we went to Kathankudi beach. There we witnessed all these fishermen are coming back to the beach after fishing. And they showed a couple of red-colored fish that they got from the sea and some other fish. Through every turn, it was not surprising to see a smiling face wherever we went. That warm atmosphere created not by the sun, but by the welcoming smiles of each and every person that we met. And we took the drive to Kalmunai. On the way, we witnessed this wonderful scene of birds flying over our heads and managed to get some footages. We got some sweets from there and took Mahiyangana road to reach Kandy. We reached home safely at around 11 p.m. If you like this video, please do mention your comments in the comment section and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.